Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have some black double slatted kidney grills that will fit on my BMW E90 Lci model. So originally they are silver with single slats. With the black double slats just look so much better because the newer ones have these style kidney grills like the M range, the M3, M4. So let's go outside, I'll show you a video of the old ones, then I'll show you how to take them out and put these in. Hello everybody, so this is my new car. It's a 2010 BMW 320d, the Efficient Dynamics. These are the kidney grills. They are the chrome with the single slats. The new ones have the double slats and the black, which looks a lot better. It just stealths the car out, it matches with the black, you know, it kind of just sticks out with the chrome. So I'm going to lift the bonnet and I'm going to show you how to take them out. So once the bonnet is open, what we're going to need to do, we're going to need a Torx bit to remove this, this, this and this. We've got a total of 4 to remove. Then this just gives us access to lift the front bumper up so you can remove these grills. So yeah, this is the LCI. On the pre-LCI, there's like a little lip here, part of the kidney grills you can remove, but this is just whole one. It's not in like 2 bits or anything, so yeah, it's just like take it out and just a complete replacement. It's an OEM fitment. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is remove these and take these out and get the black ones in. So there's one out, 3 more to go. There's the final one off. So now I should be able just to pull this front bumper back a little bit. Yeah, as you see, you can just pull it back. We can move these back and get access to the kidney grills. They are just on clips. You just unclip them. Yep, so you just lift them out the clips. You can see them, just careful you don't snap them. Gently pull from each side. As we see, there we go. As easy as that. So there we go, there's one off. Just put it down here. Same on this side. Go. There's the second one off. So here are the black ones, let's put them in. Line it up, easy as that, just push them all in. So there we are, after just making sure all the clips are pushed in and it's all lined up. There we are, it's finished. So there are the silver ones there. There we are, so they are the black double slat kidney grills. Next we're going to put some wheels on. That's all, so hope you all enjoy the video and I'll be back with a new video on them wheels, so peace.